My biggest win after taking the WebRTC course has been to integrate WebRTC in a large scalable communication platform use case, and integrating it in a way which is scalable, can both span outwards and inwards. Making a flexible solution such as that is a very critical resource. Hi, my name is Altna Bish. I have about a decade of experience working with voice over IP, particularly around WebRTC. I'm a published author of a book called Integrator's Guide to WebRTC. I have patents and numerous talks to my credit. Right now, I am pursuing my master's at Seattle University. Before the course, I felt there were missing gaps everywhere based on what I may have read or the conference I would have attended in 2016 or 2018. WebRTC is comprised of very many things, and I particularly went deep down into the signaling side of things like session border controller. In the venture of doing that, going in one direction, we kind of lose touch from the other directions of WebRTC, like for example, the new amazing codecs that have come up, the new use cases that have built around WebRTC low streaming, the simulcast, SVC add-ons, the web audio API, WASM updates. The major things that I've done after taking the course was to publish a paper on carbon footprint of VoIP calls. The course really helped me to get back in touch with all those things that were in development when I read them last, and how they are right now. Again, for me to be able to do all that, it would have taken days and numerous reads on many RFCs, number of blogs, but I think the course kind of completely gets me back on track. And after the course, I kind of see the trajectory of things growing up and where they may lead in future. Definitely very, very helpful, and I am more confident about where I stand with how things are evolving. I have very much confidence in Sahi. I have also previously worked with Sahi on a Cranky Geek conference where I presented my robot. Like, this was a very long time ago, so I know he's the best. I follow his blogs. I think he's a very resourceful person. I did not even consider other books really actually before taking this course. Also, it's nice to go back to his blogs when I want to get some deeper insight into something he has said. So I think it was very smooth for me. I had really no questions unanswered. Absolutely worth it. There's no doubt about it. I actually thought I would take 1 hour every day to do all the modules, but because it was so easy and I found it so interesting, I completed all of it in 2.5 days. Also driven by my passion, but the course was also a great resource to quickly get on things. So I kind of binged on the course in a way. I would recommend it 100%. I also got back to my teammates and told them that the course is great. It kind of talks to people at all stages of WebRTC integration, beginner, intermediate, and expert. Although WebRTC is a very developer friendly technology and there are multiple ready to use kits and quick starts to get started with WebRTC, the problem comes when you're trying to put everything in production. That juncture, going from an MVP to a production ready carrier grade solution, this course is a very important resource. So you know what are the best practices, the do's and don'ts, the pitfalls. This is a good course to go from development to production.